right, we've got 50% success. The tachometer is working. The speedometer did its initial sweep over to the side. Yeah, let's turn this on. I'll show them the sweep on the tach. Okay, that's your reset. I'm ready on the tach, and it works. The speedometer did it one time and stuck right over there on MPH. It did have the backlight, but we've disconnected all power to it right now. And I swear I followed the Norton setup instructions to the nth degree, but it's jammed, and I'm going to have to send Smith's nastygram on Monday and see what do we have to do to A, unstick this, and B, why is the diagram and why are the instructions incorrect? I don't know that they are. I don't know. But Kevin and I both checked and double-checked and triple-checked all the wires before we put power on this bike, and that's the result. So that's where we are. Monday I will contact Smiths and see if I can get some resolution onto what is wrong, what we did wrong, and what needs to be done to correct whatever it is that is wrong. And this is a wonderful example of, and the fun just never stops. All right, we're at a stopping point. I've removed all power to the speedometer on this bike, so it's completely disconnected. Tachometer works, and I will send a nastygram to Smiths in a few minutes requesting feedback about what to do next. Is there a way of manually resetting that speedometer so it'll cycle properly? And what could we have done wrong in the wiring? Because I swear we followed the directions that they sent. They didn't send a diagram, they sent directions, which I turned into a diagram. We'll see if I did something wrong or if their directions are wrong, which I think is a possibility. Anyway, over here we have a Alton starter kit for a bike that's coming in as soon as the Alton starter kit gets here, so I'll let the client know that he can bring that bike down. And got the gas cap sitting here on this bike. I'll think tomorrow I'll bring the gas tank down and try to put this gas cap on. I don't want to work on another bike today because I'm in a bad mood. This guy's still waiting on the rim, which is in transit, should be here momentarily. This bike is still sitting there waiting for us to do something constructive, of which I don't remember. We have all the parts, I'm sure. And then this bike is complete and can be picked up as soon as we get some weather worth riding in. So that's where we are. I'm going to shut her down. I'll take this bike off the lift tomorrow. I will put this bike back on the lift tomorrow and work on putting the gas tank onto that beautiful gas, the gas cap onto that beautiful gas tank. And then the seat. We might be in a position at that point in time to actually take the bike to the custom seat maker to have the seat remade to actually fit the bike. So we'll see. I'd like to do a first start on that bike. I think it's just about ready. That's where we are. It's the end of the day on a Saturday, and I'm going to call it quits for the day and see about what I'm going to do tomorrow. And that's it.